So in today's video, I want to show you simple websites that will allow you to make money from them just by typing stuff on these sites. So my goal with this channel is to show you various ways you can start making money online. Some real and legit ways you can start making money from the internet. And if making money online is something you want to look into, or if you're looking for ways you can start making money from the internet, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos that shows you proven ways on how you can make money online and show you how you can start simple internet businesses that will allow you to make money online. So in today's video, I want to show you a site that will allow you to make money by typing on this site. So this site is legit, it's proven, and they actually pay you for typing on this website. So, and also, if you can follow me, watch this video to the end, I'm also going to review to you a simple hack that will allow you to make more money from this particular website from just little work, the same amount of effort you put to create to generate this income. If you apply this hack on this particular website, it will allow you to make more money from this site. So let us begin. Now, before we go on, I also want to show you, when you check out the link, the first link in the description below, for a free program, for a recommended program that shows you how you can start an online business, a successful online business within the next 30 days. So if you check the first link in the description below, it will take you to this training. It's a 30 days training by Russell Brunson and his team, where they will hold you by hands and train you on how you can be successful online in the next 30 days without spending a fortune. So it is a 1 funnel away challenge by Russell Brunson, and when you check this training out, it's going to show you it's going to show you what it's going to do for you for the next 30 days. So I don't want to waste more time on this, but it's a recommended program I want to review to you before we go on into this training. And when you check out this training, there are also various things I have for you when you take up this offer today. My bonuses and some other free videos that I'm going to offer you to kickstart you to your online success journey. So these are various things I'm going to give you if you decide, if you take up this training if you take up this 1 funnel away challenge that will help you to build a successful online business in the next 30 days. So without further ado, let's go over to today's training. A simple website that will allow you to make money just by typing on the site. So the name of the site is Text Broker. Good. And Text Broker is a website that allows you to make money from the site just by typing on this website. Now, how does this company, or how does Text Broker work? Various companies need content for their website. So many online businesses today rely on content for SEO, search engine optimization, and to get across to their audience. So these websites and businesses need content to move on, to get their message across to their audience. And this is where you come in as a content writer. So on Text Broker, You can write content for these big companies, for these industries, for these businesses, and you make money from writing content on this website. So text broker is real and they pay real money, and businesses are using text broker for their business. These are sample of these are few businesses that have worked or that rely on text broker to supply them with their content for their website, and this is where you come in. So as a individual, you register on this website to write for these companies. This is how the websites work. So, and also I want you to know that text broker is free to join. You have nothing to pay to join text broker, so it is free to join. There is no money to get into text broker and start writing for them today. So you want to get on this website and you move on to where it says I write content. Now let's go to their payment. Let's go to payment. So on text broker you get paid to write. Now text broker work on a rating system. On a rating system, let's see how text broker work. Text broker they work on a rating system, and as you can see, it is absolutely free to join. When you join, you submit a sample writing to show your work, and from this sample writing you get rated based on your ability to deliver. And your goal on text broker is to improve your writing skills and the rate at which you write. And I'm also going to show you how you can speed up your writing to get you more results in a short amount of time. So when you get your rating after submitting your sample, you complete your auto profile and you start making money from writing. So it's absolutely a 5-step system that is easy to do, easy to join, and to get you start making money on from this site. So text broker is text broker pays weekly. So this is a website where you can start making money every week into your PayPal account just by writing for them. So friends, I want you to know that text broker is real, it's legit, and they pay real money to people like you. So when you so let when you get let's see but let's go over to the payment section. So this is how much you get paid for writing on this site. So as a five if you are if you got a 5-star rating on this site, and I want you to know that your rating improves as your work improves. So in this on the site, when your rating improve at 5-star rating, you get paid 5 cents per word. So for every single word you write, it's worth 5 cents. And this is a huge benefit, something you want to aspire to. And when you come down to this rating, TextBroker has an online calculator that allows you to calculate your estimate, something you can start earning from this site. So let's assume at a 5-star rating, if you can write up to 1,000 words, 1,000 word is about two pages of content. So 1,000 words guarantees you can start making up to 50 dollars from this site just by writing 1,000 words. So anybody can write about two pages in within 30 minutes or 1 hour. So this is a good thing you can start with. So 52 pages can get you up to $50 and if you could get at least if you can start $50 is no small money for someone looking for ways to make money. And also I'm going to show you how you can speed up your writing and how you can speed up your writing so that you can write way more content on this site in a short period of time. So 50 so 1,000 words gives you about $100. About 1,000 words gives you about $50 on the site. So how many do you think you can write per day? Now, to join Text Broker, you go over to why write for Text Broker. Now, these are reasons why you want to start with Text Broker. Text Broker is free to join. It is free to join. You are not being charged anything to start writing for Text Broker, and also you get paid weekly. So as long as you have up to $10 in your account, you get paid weekly into your PayPal account, and also you have direct access to projects. You choose the clients you want to, because there are thousands of clients that rely on Text Brokers to supply them their content. So you as an individual, you can choose any client you want to work with. You can choose works that are favorable to you. You are not forced on what you choose. So, and also you have helpful feedback to help you improve on your writing performances. And you have a flexible time management. You are not being forced on when to write or how long you have to write. You choose when you can start writing for this site. So you have a flexible time management to write on your own terms. And you also have free writing resources that helps you in writing, that helps you type more content faster and easily. So what you want to do is, when you get to Text Broker, you click on free auto registration, or you come here to sign up, and it will move you to a page where you sign up to become a Text Broker writer. So guys, Text Broker is real, and Text Broker pays you real money to write for them, because businesses are coming over to Text Broker to get their content done for them in a short period of time. You can start making money from this site as long as you keep on improving your skill. So now I want to show you a simple hack that allows you to type way more content within a short period of time. So what you want to do is, you get over to your Google Doc. So how you want to do is, you get over to your Google Doc. Google Doc is a free document. It's a free Google document on your site. So it's a free Google document that comes with every Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a Google Doc. You get over to Google Doc, and when you get there, you want to sorry. So you want to start with a blank document. So Google Doc allows you to create content or to create documents on the site. So what you want to do is, when you get to Google Doc, you come over to Tools and you choose voice typing. Voice typing, or you use any other voice typing tool. Okay, I don't know why my own voice typing is not showing here, but you want to get over to Google Doc and choose the voice typing. It allows you to speak, and as you are speaking, it's translating your words into Google Doc, into in your speech into words. So so it's easier to speak than to write. So when you are speaking, your words are being your speeches, your words are being converted to written documents. And with this simple app, you can speak more words into Google Doc and get them translated into words, you can move on to your text broker client. So this with this method, you can write more content in Google Doc and translate. You can speak more words into Google Doc and translate it to words that you use for your text broker gig. So guys, this is a simple method that allows you to make money online faster in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and kindly hit the notification bell for more videos like this on how to make money online, because I'll be showing you proven ways you can start making money online. And also, if you want to kickstart your business the right way, check out the first link in the description below for the one funnel away challenge that allows you to set up a successful online business within the next 30 days without spending much on the internet. So in this training, you are being held by experts, you are being held by mentors, you are being held by coaches that makes you accountable and makes you responsible to producing results for yourself. And not only that, I'm also going to supply you with more bonuses and more stuff that will allow you to get more done in short period of time. I bet you if you follow my channel, you're going to find out ways you can be successful online, you can make more money online, and finally you can quit your 9 to 5 job. So guys, thank you for spending the time to watch this video on my channel. I hope to share more videos like this with you. Let me know what you think in the comment below. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.